Step into the modern and thriving metropolis of Hong Kong, where your educational journey unfolds against the backdrop of stunning skyscrapers and breathtaking cityscapes. Attention all ambitious students. Imagine pursuing higher education in a city that stands as a testament to modernity and innovation. Hong Kong, renowned for its iconic skyline, boasts some of the world's most breathtaking skyscrapers. Each night, as the sun set over Victoria Harbour, the city transforms into a mesmerizing canvas of light, creating a panorama that is nothing short of spectacular. Why choose Hong Kong? It has renowned universities as colleges set against a backdrop of architectural marvel. A world-class education system amidst the inspiring skyline of a global city. A multicultural environment where diversity is celebrated. A thriving job market with opportunities amidst the city's vibrant energy. Exciting prospects for growth and success against the beautiful cityscapes. Exciting opportunities for growth and success. Travel with your trusted agency with trusted guide, your passport to exploration. Navigate your educational journey with us and witness the harmonious blend of academic excellence and urban beauty. With years of experience, we guide you through a city that offers not only top-tier education but also a stunning view that will leave you inspired every day. Our services include expert advice on course selection and university application, assistance with visa documentation and interview preparation against the city skyline, guidance on scholarship and financial aid opportunities amid the bustling cityscapes, pre-departure orientation and settling in assistance with a backdrop of mesmerizing city lights. Ongoing support throughout your enriching study, a broad journey in the heart of Hong Kong urban beauty. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to broaden your horizon against the backdrop of a city adorned with architectural marvel. Contact us today to kickstart your study visa application and immerse yourself in the beauty of Hong Kong. Your educational adventure awaits. Explore more on our website. Contact us via call or email for detail and information. Embark on your educational adventure in the modern marvel that is Hong Kong with us. Thanks for exploring the wonders with us. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the dynamic city of Hong Kong and the endless opportunities it offers for your educational journey. Don't miss out on future adventures. Sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell to stay updated and more engaging and information content about studying abroad in Hong Kong and beyond. Thank you.